In this video, I wanted to explain how some design aspects of this organic farm, natural farm, and all. Now, this is the wall of that garden area, and beyond that there is a highway, busy highway with a lot of traffic and all going around. Now, in this kind of a place, that border zone should be reserved for growing tall trees, because in the summer it will provide some shade, and some inside the garden there will be higher moisture, and micro environment will get created. And second, uh, you can grow something that is useful, some fruit trees and some hardwood and all, which fetches some income, like teak and all can be planted. So such things. And then in the hardwoods, I would recommend fast growing a few and then slow growing a few, so that the fast growing ones can be harvested earlier, 10 or 15 years, and then slow growing one after like teak and all, some 30-40 years later only it can be harvested. So it will be growing on the side. And then those trees, they send their roots deep into the earth and they take out minerals from there, and then they drop it in the form of dry leaves. So it will enrich the soil and act as a wind barrier in the windy season. So in this kind of place, you put some hardwood, softwood, some fruit trees, some bushes, and some thorny shrubs to cover the wall, so that security is improved. And beyond that green boundary of trees, something another, all kind of gardening activities, farming and all can be done. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತಾಕೋ.